So in this video, I'm going to talk about if the roadmap course is worth $497 or not. So there's no simple yes or no answer because it depends on individual, individual experience, individual expertise, or whatever it is. Maybe you will feel uh, it's not worth the money, and maybe I feel that it's worth the money. It depends on individual experience. But I'm gonna give my opinion on this course. The course is about building a business with digital technologies, and it's most of them, most of the modules, or let's say most part of the course is dedicated to like digital marketing. So some people say it's digital marketing course, but it's not like just digital marketing. It talks about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media, um, and business, like automation of your business in digital platforms and all that. So basically, it talks about starting your business from scratch on a digital platform. So if you are that person, suppose if you are a beginner, if you don't know anything about like digital platforms, how to get started with, funnels, how to get started with email marketing and all that, and how you don't know how to um, uh, get started with, setting up your social media accounts and all that, and you want to business, you want to build a business, especially with you want to create a digital product and sell, then this is a complete guide to you, for you. Someone with that thing in mind can buy this course and learn everything they need to know, everything they want to learn, because roadmap guides you through every step, like step by step from scratch, you know from mindset, from you know uh, um, coming out with idea of your business, and getting started with your business. You can see like let me show you, like it talks about niche and building solid business base, and all that. Branding, yeah, it talks about building a brand and all that. Eventually you end up making yourself a brand on a digital platform, and you can uh, build a very solid business uh, on a digital platform. So that's the goal of the roadmap course. And if you think that that's your goal and that's what you want to achieve, then this course is worth more than $497, because once you set up your business and start selling your digital products, you might you might end up making thousands of dollars every month, and that's, compared to that, $500 is nothing. So just think about it. Maybe it's not worth the money, or it's worth more than the money. So you just decide yourself. I want to compare this course with another course. This one, this is just affiliate marketing course. Okay, this is not complete like everything. It's not everything about digital marketing. Just a part of digital marketing, that's affiliate marketing. It just talks about affiliate marketing, and specifically uh, like through blogging. Okay, so this is something related to affiliate marketing. If you are just focusing on affiliate marketing and just focusing on mm, marketing others products through your blog or website, then this is the course you want to take. And I can show you that this course has total 5 modules. Roadmap has like 30 modules. Roadmap has total like maybe around 300 videos, but this course has just 5 modules and it has around 40 videos. Okay, 40 or 41 something, but I think less than 50 videos. And the thing is, these two courses cost the same. Roadmap is $497. The 22K low competition affiliate blueprint is also $497. I took both the courses, and I can say that uh, both the courses have their own place. If you want to become an affiliate market um, expert or something, not expert, I would say, like if you want to just focus on affiliate marketing through blogging or through a website, then this course can be, the one for you. Again, if you compare, like Roadmap has like 300 videos, 300 videos, and this has only 40 videos. So does that mean this course is not worth $497? I don't know, because again, it depends. I already told you it depends on what your goal is. There are some few things that you might not know about, like blogging or finding niches, and uh, this course, 22K low competition, can teach you that, and target. It can teach you target certain keywords and then rank, you know, rank high, and then start making affiliate income, income through affiliate marketing. So in that case, this course is worth more than $497. Again, just compare these two courses and think about your goal. Um, yeah, again, you have like free courses, you have YouTube and all that, but the thing is, these courses are built by organizing all the different uh, pieces of information and you know bundled in one course so that it's easy for someone like you to decide what course to take. If you go to YouTube, there are a lot of videos, free knowledge. It's just just the problem is that you don't know what video you want to watch. But if you take this course or this course, you know what you're gonna learn. You know the steps. Step by step, you are guided throughout the course. So yeah, that's the thing about paid courses. Again, I'm not saying that it's worth the money. I'm not even saying it's not worth the money. It's up to you to decide. If you want to check out more about these two courses, I will leave the link for both the courses in the description. Check them out and then decide yourself. Thank you.